Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my YouTube anniversary video. Yay. Yeah. I don't know if you guys heard that. Y'all might have heard it. I don't know. But let's see. I have to pull my phone out because I had to write down some notes here because I actually recorded this video a couple of days ago and I didn't like how it turned out. I was a little too rambly, so I'm gonna try to keep this as short and sweet as possible and also not give you too much glare from my glasses. So January 15th 2013, I uploaded my very first YouTube video. It was my introduction video. It's going to be linked above and below. Basically, the reason why I did that video is because I was getting a lot of questions about my hair. I think I was like 8 months natural by that time. I want to say I was 8 months natural by that time. My hair in flat twist. I was actually sitting on the other side of this room on the bed. And behind me, you could see some of the things that were on the back of my headboard, which are still there. So, yeah, I know I need to dust off that hat. But anyway, it was just more so just an informational video about what I do for my hair, with my hair and everything. And then about a couple of weeks later, on I think the 23rd, I did my first review video about, what was it, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I think I did a Eco Styler with the Eco Styler, what was that, the olive oil gel. I did a twist out and it just went on from there. I have done a total of 266 videos. That's not counting this one right now that you are watching. And as of today, I have 921 subscribers. Oh, goodness. I never thought this would turn into what it's turned into. I'm going to just flat out say it. This was just, you know, something I just do one time and one time only. Then it turned into every Wednesday at 5 o'clock. I think that's when my videos were going up. I was home from work, but I was just pushing them live. And then it went from Wednesdays to Sunday mornings, which this video would have been out this past Sunday, but I'm going to make it old school and you're going to get it on a Wednesday evening. No, Wednesday afternoon, I'm sorry. So I'm saying all of this really just, one, to celebrate the anniversary, and for two, to thank you all for watching me. I never thought that people would want to know what I'm talking about. I just never really, this was one thing I never really thought was going to turn it, like I said, turn into what it's turned into. So it's really crazy. This is, like I said, I think I've told you guys before in another video, this is not my job. I have a paying job that I work at. I have a 9-to-5. So this is something I do on the side, and I turned to love it. Even though sometimes I was like, oh my God, I got to put on a full face and I have to record a video. But I love the comments and the feedback that I get from you guys on each video. And thank you all for just watching and for reaching out to me and talking to me on here, on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. You know, it's great that you guys, you know, want to see what little old me is talking about. You know, it's just a really weird experience for me. I remember being told that YouTube was for young people. But I don't know. Y'all want to see my old butt, you know. So you guys want to see me. So, like I said, just thank you. Thank you all for just rocking with me for the past 6 years. And the other day, I was also reminded that I didn't just have one anniversary this week. I had 2 anniversaries. as I look across the room and she's sleeping. Was it 5 years ago? It was the year after, 2014. I'm looking over at Reginald, but he has headphones on. In 2014, on New Year's Day, we got the Schmugmeister, Shadow, our cat that you guys periodically see in videos now. She's older now. You know, she too good for autographs and pictures and videos and stuff. She too good for that. But, so to know a year after I started making videos, we got a new addition in the house, and she's been probably the best addition ever. She keeps me on my toes, and it's funny. I have the bites and scratches to prove it. So it's, you know, it is what it is. But real quick, I don't want this to go too much longer. I'm 6 minutes in, but I want to say thank you. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, especially my new subscribers. I got a bunch of new subscribers in the past month. Thank you all for subscribing and for seeing what I'm talking about. If it's hair, tech, fashion, handbag, luxury bags, sneakers, we're now into now. And I just want to thank you all again, just for being here and listening to me ramble. So I told you, I asked you guys last week if you guys had any suggestions for content for this new year. Please still talk to me below. Talk to me on my videos and let me know what you guys want to see, what products you want to hear about. If there's some sneakers that you all have heard about and you want to know if I know about them or my take on them, yo, let me know. I will, if I don't already have them, because there are some stuff y'all don't know I got. So if I don't already have them, or if I haven't bought them yet, let me know, whatever. That's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm tired and I'm not feeling all that great. My throat's a little scratchy. So I'm gonna go and medicate and chill for the rest of the night and start on my homework for my new class. Thanks, guys. And here's to 266 more videos and 6 more years with you guys. Talk to me below if you guys like videos like this. Give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button below so you guys can hear me ramble about other things. And that's all. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Love, peace, hair products, tech, beauty, makeup, sneakers, luxury. Bye.